felt pulled in a million directions? Like you're juggling work, family, hobbies, and a social life. Well, you're not alone. We all face trade-offs every day. A trade-off is simply a choice between two things. It's about giving up one thing to gain another. It's a fundamental part of life. Economists love talking about trade-offs. They call it the opportunity cost. It's the value of the next best alternative. For example, if you choose to spend an hour watching TV, the opportunity cost is the hour you could have spent studying, working, or spending time with loved ones. Think about shopping. You want that new pair of shoes, but you also need to pay the bills. You're trading money for fashion. Every purchase is a trade-off. But it's not just about money. Our emotions, our values, and our social norms influence our decisions. We often choose what feels good in the moment, even if it's not the best decision in the long run. Social media, for instance, can be a major time suck. Every minute spent scrolling is a minute we could spend on something more productive. So, how can we make better trade-offs? Be mindful, pay attention to your choices and the consequences. Prioritize, figure out what's truly important to you. Set goals. Having clear goals can help you make better decisions. Practice self-discipline. Sometimes we need to say no to short-term gratification for long-term gain. Learn to delegate. Don't try to do everything yourself. Delegate tasks or ask for help. Remember, life is a series of trade-offs. By understanding this, we can make more conscious and fulfilling choices. So, the next time you're faced with a decision, take a moment to consider the trade-offs. And remember, every choice is an opportunity.